Hello and welcome to CodeZone. Today we are going to solve this pattern printing problem where we have to print this for n equal to 3 and this for n equal to 5. Okay, let's analyze this two pattern, then we will write code for it. Okay, for n equal to 3 we have to print this. In this type of problem we have to take care of white spaces more than this star. Okay, so here we can see how many white spaces there are. As there are three stars, so till there are three white spaces, till there three white spaces, and here four white spaces. Okay, let's see for same n equal to 5. Till here there are five white spaces, and from here white spaces are gradually increasing by 1. Here white spaces are 6 and here 7. So we can generalize that there are n plus n by 2 white spaces at the first line of output, then this is slightly decreasing to 1 time up to n. Okay, we can see that there is one white spaces between these two under it. Okay, and there are three white spaces. That means there are n minus 2 white spaces between these two at the rate sign. Okay, and this pattern might be looking a little bit tricky or hard, but when we will divide this pattern into three parts and we will try to solve all three parts independently, then we can see that this is not too tough or too tricky. Okay, so we will first divide it into three parts. This is the first part, this is second, and this is third part. Okay, we will print these three all part independently, then we will combine them all to make it a complete pattern. To make it more visible or easy, I have replaced all the white spaces with minus sign. Here we can see that there are four white spaces, there are three white spaces, so white spaces are gradually decreasing by 1. At starting there are four white spaces for n equal to 3, and for n equal to 5 there are same white spaces. That means there are n plus n by 2 white spaces for the first line, then these white spaces are gradually decreasing by 1 up to n, and once we reach the n, then we have to print the second part, which is this or this. Then for how many line we have to print this? For n equal to 3 there are one line, for n equal to 5 there are three lines, so we can conclude that there are n minus 2 line we have to print this pattern. Okay, and we have to take care of these white spaces between these two and at the rate sign. There are three white spaces for n equal to 5, that means n minus 2 white spaces for 5, and similarly for n minus 2 white spaces for n equal to 3. And after printing this part we will print this part. Okay, so here we can see that there are n star, then at the rate sign, and n minus 2 white spaces, then at the rate sign, then n star, and then number of white spaces are increasing from 0 to 1, and for here 0 to 1, and in second line there are white spaces are increasing by 2. So we can conclude that there are n minus 2 white spaces on the first line, and here are 3, that means n white spaces, and plus 1 and plus 1, that means n plus 2 white spaces for second line. Similarly here we can see that there are n white spaces and plus 1 plus 2, n plus 2 white spaces for the second line, and here we can see that there are n white spaces plus 2 plus 2, that means n plus 4 white spaces for third line, and this will increase when we increase the value of n. So we have to make it more generalized so that we can print for any value of n. Okay, let's solve the first part, that is this. Okay, first we have to take input from the user, so let's create object of scanner class. Okay, so we have to print this pattern for 3 line for n equal to 5 and 2 line for n equal to 3. So we can conclude that this is n by 2 plus 1 line. So if we start our loop from 0, then we can conclude that this is from 0 to n by 2 times. Okay, for int I equal to 0 less than I less than equal to n by 2 I plus plus. Okay, for the first line we have to print the white spaces. So for the first line, how many white spaces we have to print? Let's see, there are 7 white spaces for n equal to 5 and 3 white spaces, 4 white spaces for n equal to 4. That means n plus n by 2 white spaces. So this loop will go up to n plus n by 2 white spaces. Okay, j is less than n plus n by 2. But we can see that from second line there are number of white spaces slightly decreasing by 1. So we can say that for n I equal to 0 there are n minus n by 2 minus I white spaces. That means n plus n by 2 white spaces. For I equal to 1 there will be n plus n by 2 minus 1 white spaces. This will go up to n equal to j will reach up to n. So minus I j plus plus, and we have to print white spaces. Sys out control plus space for white spaces, simply single white spaces and print. Okay, after printing white spaces we have to print the star. For the first line we have to print the star for how many times? For n equal to 3 we have to print it for 1 time, and for second line we have to print it for 3 times, and for n equal to 5 we have to print it for 1 time, and for second line we have to print it for 3 times, and for third line we have to print it for 5 lines. So we can conclude that we are printing 1 plus I into 2 time for every iteration. Int j equal to 0, j is less than 1 plus I into 2. Okay, j plus plus. As we are starting our loop from j equal to 0, we are not make it equal sign, less than equal, we are simply make it less than. Okay, if we start our iteration from j equal to 1, we can put here equal sign. Okay, we have to initialize here with 0. Okay, 1 plus I into 2. For first time it will print 1 time, and for second time it will print 3 times and 5 times and so on up to n by 2 times. Okay, after printing first line we have to change the line. So simply write sys out, and we have completed our first part. Let's run it and see whether it is correct or not. Okay, let's enter for 5. Yeah, let's again check it for 3. Okay, how many white spaces are there? They have 1, 1, 2 and 3. here 1 2 3 and 4. Yeah, we are right. Okay, let's print the second part, that is this part. This is the easiest part, so we can easily write code for this. Okay, first we have to print this line for I equal to 0 to up to I less than n minus 2 time I plus plus. First we have to print the white spaces up to n time. Then a single @ sign, and again we have to print the white space for n minus 2 times. Okay, then after we have to print a @ sign. I hope you have got this. First we are printing the white spaces that are this part for n time. There are n equal to 5 times we are printing white spaces. We can see also here n equal to 3, then there are 3 white spaces, and then we print @ sign, a single @ sign, this line. Then again we are printing white spaces for n minus 2 time. Let's see here, for n equal to 5 there are 3 white spaces, that means n minus 2 time, and n equal to 5 there are 3 white spaces, that means n minus 2 time, and n equal to 3 there are 1 white spaces, that is n minus 2 times. So we are printing n minus 2 time white spaces. Then again after printing white spaces we have to print @ sign. Then after printing each line we have to change the line, so this out control plus space. Okay, let's check the second part. Enter 5. Yeah, till now we are right. Let's write the third part, which is a little bit tricky, but together we will solve this. Okay, here we can see that for the first line we are printing 5 star, then @ sign, then 3 white spaces, that is n minus 2 white spaces, and then for the second line there are n minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 white spaces. For third line there are n minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2 white spaces. So let's see how we are going to solve this. First copy this and paste it. Comment this. Okay, for int I equal to 0 we are printing this 3 line for n equal to 5, that means n by 2 plus 1 time, and for n equal to 3 we are printing is for n by 2 plus 1, that means n equal to 2 times. So we can run the loop, our loop, by n by 2 plus 1 time. So if I less than n by 2 plus 1 I plus plus. Okay, first we have to take care of white spaces. We can see there are 0 white spaces, that means we will print 2 white spaces for the I time. Here are one white space, that means we again can print white spaces for the item, and here there are two white spaces, that means we again can print our white space for the item. Let's first print the white spaces. For int j equals to 0, j is less than I j plus plus, and sysout control plus white spaces. Okay, after printing white spaces we have to print the star. For the first time we will print it for 5 times, then 3 times, then 1 time. If we closely observe this pattern, then we can see that this is just opposite of the first part. Okay, we can see that. Okay, first I will print the first 5. For the first line we will print the 5 white spaces for 5 star. Then second line will print the 3 star after 1 white spaces, then 1 white, then 1 star. Okay, so we can say that we are printing white spaces for n minus I into 2. That means for the first time n minus I into 2 equal to n equal to 5 minus let's see, n minus I into 2. For n equal to 5, 5 minus for the first line 0 into 2 equal to 5. Okay, for the second line n equal to 5 minus I equal to 1, 1 into 2 equal to 3. So we can say that we can print up to n minus I into 2 times. Let's print it. Int j equal to 0, j is less than n minus I into 2. Okay, j plus plus. Print the star, then we have to see that we are taking a special care of the first line. We have to print @ sign for the first line in the space of these 1 white spaces. Okay, so we will take care of this first line individually. If I equals to 0, if I equals to 0, then we will, after printing this line, we will print @ sign. This @ sign is this part, and then n minus 2 white spaces. After printing @ we will print white spaces for how many times? n minus 2 times. J equals to 0, j is less than n minus 2, j plus plus. Okay, after printing these 2 white spaces, sorry, n minus 2 white spaces, we have to again print the @ sign. We can see here, after printing @ then we will print white spaces, then we have to again print @ sign. So we have to write a conditional operator double equal to, okay, print the @ sign, and after printing this @ sign we are again printing 5 star for the first line. As we are taking care of all the part after this in this is if statement, we have to take care this part also in this statement. Okay, so for int I equals to, sorry, j equals to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus, sysalt star okay. And if I is not equal to 0, then we have to write the code in else part. For I not equal to 0, that means this part. For the first line, we are printing one white spaces, that is already printed here. Then 3 star, that is already printed here. Then we have to print white spaces for n plus 2 times, n plus 2, that means n plus I into 2. Here we can also see n plus 4, that means n plus I into 2. We can generalize like this, okay. So for int j equal to 0, j is less than n by n plus I into 2, okay, j plus plus sysalt white spaces, and after printing white space we have to print again star. We can use this line of code because we have to print the same pattern as, so we can copy and paste it here, okay. And after printing each line we have to change the line, okay. Hope we are done. Let's see. Into 5, yeah, for 5 we are getting this output, okay. Again check for n equal to 3, okay. We are getting our desired output, that is our program is correct, okay. Let's check for 7. For 7 we are getting this output, okay. So if you enjoyed this video and want to like, then you can like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you want that I do make more videos on pattern printing, then please do comment on the comment section. Thank you.